Step 1. First, the diameter of the pipe to be cut must be measured. Then, in accordance with the tables available on the main carriage, we select the correct number of carriages and check the necessary distance between them. It is also important to check for the cleaning of the wheels. Step 2. We start letting the rope through each carriage, keeping it knotless. Starting from the last carriage, we fix the rope, keeping a center-center distance between each carriage as indicated in the table for the corresponding diameter. Step 3. We mount the rope system and tighten it so that it fits the pipe. Then we rotate it 3 times to achieve a good alignment. Step 4. To mark the tube, we proceed mounting the brush holder included in the box. This is kept in position by means of a spring. By rotating counterclockwise, we can then mark the cut line of the pipe. Step 5. To start the cut, we mount the saw on the main carriage. As a safety measure, at this stage, the saw only turns on by turning and pressing the knob, and then switching the machine to on. While diving into the tube, we rotate a little bit the machine opposite to the cutting direction. Step 6. Once the machine is completely inside the guide of the main carriage, we can release the knob. Using the handles on the different carriages, we can then proceed to drive the machine through the whole diameter, rotating clockwise. Step 7. To disassemble the saw, we need to pull the safety button, which prevents the slipping out from the guide. Then, we release the rope using the ratchet. Safety Features Statement. The machine presents several safety features. The slipping out from the guide carriage is prevented from a safety release button. 3 different sensors are applied on the saw. If we try to remove it while running, the saw stops immediately. To restart the saw, we need to rotate and press the knob once again. They also prevents the saw from working when not inside the guide carriage. One last safety feature is provided by a control on the motor. An alarm informs us if we're pushing too much and overloading the machine. To resume the cut, switch the on-off button. With a capacity of up to 1200 mm in diameter and 160 mm in thickness, enjoy a clean and safe cut with Trumpf TruTool TC200.